بالغوطة. A bunch of people are being killed. Many kids are being killed. Many women are being killed. And the people are just looking on. The media is just looking on. The world is just looking on.
The words that they usually say every day, almost every day. And if they don't say it, then they have it in their hearts. And these words are, Ya Allah, where are the Muslims? Ya Allah, where are the Muslims? Ya Allah, aren't we Muslims? Ya Allah, where is everyone? Where is the help?
يا دول، يا العرب، يا عرب، يا كل الدول نامي، يا الخلايا النامي، اصحوا على حالكم. نحن عنا الله، كل يوم والتاني عم يرعنا عائلات وطائفات. عنا الله، وهذا شروع، أما عم يسكن شروع كل الدول. كل يوم عم يروح شهداء، أطفال، نحن أرهابيين نحن.
Brothers and sisters, the world that we are living in now has many tremendous problems. The objective of Islam is not just to talk. It's not just to pray. It's not just to fast. It's not just to make adhkar. It's not just to practice the outside sunnah. It's not just to warn people about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Not just to give da'wah and call people towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. No, the objective of Islam is to serve humanity and to solve their problems and to distinguish ourselves, to become recognized by them to be arbiters. That they trust us and that they listen to us, because they know that we are not selfish and they know that we are concerned, genuinely concerned about them.
وقفوا الحرب تعبنا. يعملونا ملاجئ حديد مشان ما بقى يموتوا الأطفال من القذف، ويبعثوا لنا أكل إذا ما بدهم يبعثوا لنا مساعدة، يبعثوا لنا أكل مشان ما بقى حدا يموت من الجوع.
None of us can give away 100% of what we have, but that's not what we are requesting. Even if we picked out 2.5% of what we have, the crisis in the Ummah would be resolved.
And the Syrian pro-Assad forces have kept up the punishing assault on civilians in eastern Ghouta, that's just outside Damascus. On Friday, the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights said the assault likely included war crimes and potentially crimes against humanity.
لا حول ولا قوة. حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. يا عم العزيز يا الله. حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
لا أكل، مي ما في مي. لك لا حرام لا ضرر الريح، إذا بنرجع بنقدم من بيت تبعها بنهدين، لك إذا طلعنا بننقذف يعني بننقذف ما بتعرفوا قديه، لك الله يوفقك كان الشر أذى، لك هون كل الأطفال عم تموت من الجوع والخرف. لك شو بدنا نساوي يعني لك الولايات عم تتقدم يعني ايديها بالشهر، لك ما عندك اولاد يمكن انه كل السنة عندنا اولاد، لك تتخيل اولادك هيك ينقصفوا ليش مرتاح؟ الاطفال عم تفوتوا والاطفال والشباب والرجال وكلها، يعني انا هون ابي ما هون شو بدي اكثر يعني؟ حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل. يعني بس طالبين من كل الأمان، لك الأمان يا أخواني الأمان، لك يا الله كل الدول العرب ما عم تحسوا فينا. ليش روسيا عم بتتعاملنا وعم تتعامل نظام شرعي يضربنا؟ لك كل هالبلاد ما معنا، لك بس أنا الله معنا الحمد لله. الله يفرج يا رب، الله يفرج.
They don't know who is going to reach out to them, but we know that it's our obligation to find them and to find the most trustworthy people to go and fulfill the obligation. And we will help and assist so that when the assistance gets to them, Allah knows our name is on that pack. And when they say, Ya Allah, you sent this morsel when my child was about to die of hunger. And Allah says 5 grains of that rice came from this particular person. Somewhere else in the world, Allah knows. You saved a life. And when you save a life, Allah says, it is equivalent to having saved all lives, entire humanity.
Go home and evaluate yourself and evaluate your family and ask yourself, what have you done to contribute or to address the critical issues facing humanity.